play our Logo Makers game in this video. You will need the instructions, which you can find on fissionlearning.ca, the logo prompts, scrap paper, markers, and a container. Let's get started! Start by cutting out the logo prompts. Put the prompts into a container and mix them up. Randomly draw 2 prompts from the container. They drew a couch bat and dinosaur Lego. Now, the challenge is to draw a logo that combines both words. Here are their finished products. We played the game twice, the next time drawing video cheese, banana envelope, peanut whale, and beach lemonade. We then had another chance to draw our logos. Here are all of the finished logos that we created. You can see dinosaur Lego, video cheese, beach lemonade, peanut whale, bat couch, and finally banana envelope. Now that you have some practice creating random logos, it's time to create the logo for your brand. If you create a logo of your own, be sure to share it with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Fission Learning. Thanks for watching this Fission Learning video. To check out more Fission Learning content, go to fissionlearning.ca. And as always, thanks to the NSERC for all of their support.